We'll guide you through how to show hidden apps on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are on my iPhone. So perhaps you've gone and hidden some apps and now you're wondering how you can see them and you want to go and show them. Perhaps you want to go and use them and open them up, or alternatively, you may want to just go and completely unhide them. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So make sure it's full guide so you don't miss anything important that you may need to go and know. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and first of all just go and hide an app so I can go and show you. We can then go and show it again. So I'm going to go and tap and hold on Instagram here. Then we're going to go and press require Face ID and I'll press hide and require Face ID. I'll do Face ID and I can press hide app. So it's now been hidden. But now what I want to do is go and show it again. In this case, I might even go and unhide it as well. So you can go and find out how it can be done, but ultimately you can just go and keep it hidden and we're just going to show the hidden apps for now. So what you need to do is you need to go and start swiping across like so, and you keep on swiping. And this is going to go and open up the app library like so. So here you're going to go and see all the different apps you've got. This is different to the home screen, so in the app library. And that is going to be on the last page of the home pages or app pages, and then we're in the app library. And then what you need to do is go and scroll all the way down, and right at the bottom, you're going to go and see hidden here. You're going to see there's nothing in there as it's hidden. So to go and show hidden apps, they're going to go and be in here. Go and tap on it, and you'll need to complete Face ID, or if that doesn't work, you enter in the passcode. And go and wait, and it'll then go and show you the hidden apps, as you can see. So you can go and open them up and go and use them, and you'll need to go and complete Face ID again then to go and fully open it. And if you want to go and unhide them and add them back, then what you'll need to do is go and tap on hold. Then you can press don't require Face ID, and you need to complete it, and then it'll be added back to the app library. So you can scroll to find it, you can see it's added back there. You can always search for it to go and find it, and then we can add it back to the home screen by tapping and holding it. And you can go and press add to home screen and it'll then go and be added there. And we can open it up and it's unhidden. But as I said, you can always just go and keep it hidden and we can go and look at them by tapping in hidden like so. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.